to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news. Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here at the AVer booth, joined by Katie Sullivan. First of all, how are you?
Doing great. Getting ready to round out the end of this show. It's been very busy.
Absolutely. Talk a little bit about who you are and what you do for AVer.
Absolutely. So my name is Katie Sullivan. I am Senior Product Manager for rAVe and K-12 at AVer. Simply put, I'm in charge of what we make and when we make it for both the rAVe and K-12 lines.
Awesome. Well, talk to me a little bit about what we have going on in the booth here at AVer this year.
Yeah, so a lot of exciting new products that we have on my side of the fence in rAVe. Probably the biggest showstopper we have over there is our MT500.
Yes, heard a lot about that.
It's been getting a lot of attention here at the show. But that's our new and improved matrix tracking box. You might be familiar with our MT300 line, which is based on presets with our existing cameras, and we've had that product out for several years now. And one of the things we really wanted to do was respond to our customer feedback and see if we could find ways to make the configuration of the box more seamless. We can make the meeting experience more seamless, and so that's what we've come out with the MT500.
Very cool. I feel like most of the announcements that I have read from you guys, like leading up to InfoComm, has been a little bit automation focused. Why is automation such a big trend right now in both like UC, corporate, and education spaces?
Right. I mean, as you outfit more of these spaces with these video systems, people want more sophisticated systems. They want to have natural systems, and they actually want them to feel human even when they're not. So companies like mine, companies like AVer, are really investing in ways we can have that intuitive experience, right? Have a camera be facing, have that in-room behavior that you really want without having to have an operator, without having to have really complex setups. That's the space we're really trying to play in.
Very cool. And what do you think we're going to see around like this time next year? Where do you think that's going to take us at that time?
Ooh. I am, after my conversations here, we've got some exciting features on the MT500 like Insta-Config, right? Which will have a camera recognize where the chairs are, recognize where the microphone lobes are, and then set up your presets based on that. But I've gotten some really interesting ideas that say like, hey, wouldn't it be great if the cameras could know when the room changes and know how to set a profile based on now we're in a U shape, now we're in small groups, now I know I'm the camera, now I know, or I'm the box, I know what this shape is, I know what profile I need to do. Finding more ways, what do rooms actually do, how can our technology respond to them?
Absolutely. I assume that so many places that are flex spaces right now have presented such a challenge for companies like AVer, but kind of like a fun challenge to be able to solve.
You're so right. So one of the nice things about the MT500 is that it has dual independent outputs. So specifically for that like divisible room, that flexible space, because you have the dual outputs, you can have one box but run that split room with multiple profiles.
Absolutely.
So we are interested in, that's a sticky problem. That's a hard space to outfit, but we've been working on it and we're really excited what we brought to offer.
That's kind of like the most fun thing about our industry is when someone brings a problem to you and you're like, ooh, that is a problem, but I bet you I could solve that. Give me 6 months, give me a year.
And AVer has been working so hard to be an innovator in this space. Our tracking cameras have long been a solid innovator
100%.
with an intuitive, smooth tracking experience. And so now we want to go bigger, we want to go more. We want you to know us for more than just cameras. And so the MT series and more is how we're moving into that.
All of what we've kind of been talking about kind of fits in with the theme for y'all's booth this year, which is like intelligent collaboration. What does that mean to AVer?
What does intelligent collaboration mean to AVer? Again, I think it's removing all of the headaches, right? Making your box smarter so you don't have to be smart. We want this, again, to be easy to configure. We want your system to know and intuit what it needs to do in a certain environment. We want to have the box do that intelligent work so you can move on to doing the even harder work, the even more creative work. We want the box to kind of offload some of that to you.
Very cool. Well, Katie, last question. Where can people connect with you and where can they find more about AVer online?
Absolutely. So if you are interested in finding more about AVer, you can go to averusa.com. Me personally, I am katie.sullivan@aver.com. Shoot me an email, reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to answer any questions.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. It was good catching up with you.
Yeah, that was a great conversation. Thank you.
Wonderful. And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beggett, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.